Hey, this is Charles Caldwell, and this is week 2's video, implementing my leaderboards. First, let's talk about the type of leaderboards, the kind of metrics that we're going to be gathering. We're going to be gathering points from the players. And we're going to be gathering kind of two main metrics on a level basis and a cumulative basis. So what that means is the level basis is how much points you scored in a particular play of the game. And the cumulative points are how much you scored over the course of the entire time you've played the game ever. So we're going to go into a little bit more detail of what that might look like when we talk about filtering. The system type I'm going to be using is Google Play Game Services, or just Play Services. And there's a couple of different reasons why I'm doing that. The main reason is it's not $99 a year like Apple's is. It's only a one-time $25, and I actually signed up years ago, so I'm in the clear there. The other major thing is it's available on not only iOS, but it's also available on Android. So what that means is I can use the same play services and the same leaderboards on both iOS and Android. It also means that a player can pick up my game on iOS, score their points over there, go over on Android, and have the same metrics and leaderboards at their disposal. So for me as a player, that's huge. If I want to play on my iPad and then pick up my Android phone, it's the same game, it's the same levels. I even had the same purchases of the item collections right there. So what I'm thinking as far as filtering is doing it on more of a time-based filtering. So you have your daily, your weekly, your monthly, and then your all-time. Now, this filtering would be separate for both level basis and cumulative basis. So thinking back to the type of point collection that we're going to be doing, let me give you an example. Let's say I jump on today, this is the first time I played today, and I play a game and I score 100 points, right? So then the next game I play, I score 300 points. So my best daily on a level basis would be 300 points, because that's the best level point I got today. But on a cumulative basis, my best today would be 400 points, because that's both the times I played accumulated together. And we'd see that on a daily, a weekly, a monthly, and an all-time basis. So what is implementation going to look like? Well, there's going to be another additional button on my main menu. So there's going to be 4 altogether: the play, store, credits, and leaderboards. And we're going to show, when you go to the screen, I'm going to show the player's all-time high score on a level basis and a cumulative basis, just the all-time high score. And there's going to be a button to be able to sign up and connect your game with the play services. That way the player does not have to connect to play services in order to get their high scores. They can have it just on the device themselves. And that is really for, say, the person that doesn't have a Google account, or in the case of, say, like my daughter, my 7-year-old daughter, who's actually honestly loves to play my game. She's asked me every couple days to be able to play it. She does not have a Google account, and I might not want Google collecting data. I may not know what what data the developer is collecting, so I might not want my 7-year-old playing the game while it's connected to Google Play services. So that is a major thing, in my opinion, when it comes to having a game on a mobile device that my children might play. So that's all I really got for you. This weekend's going to be going through the documentation, reading up on everything, figuring out how to do this, and then we're going to hit it on maybe midday through Sunday, and Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We're going to bust this thing out, and we're going to have a pretty nice looking leaderboard. So until then, thanks for watching.